Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you how to make two different textures to your wall. So here I have marble and also mirror. I'm using ceiling custom. Okay. So let's go to AiHouse. Okay, we are going to use custom function, customize, and then take ceiling. Then I double click to my wall. I'm using this wall, double click on it. Then I'm going to draw by using straight line, a square shape like what we have to the picture just now. Okay, so I randomly draw this one, right click to cancel. Okay, and then I'm going to use to this area. Okay, right click to cancel. So you can see from here we have this corner and also in the center. So the center is going to be our marble and the outer layer is going to be our mirror. Okay, and then to put texture, oh yeah, before that we put barge. So I will put it as for 100. So you can see there's a gap here in the center. Okay, and then from here we want to put texture to the outer layer, which is mirror. So I use glass. Sorry. Okay, we need to drag and drop to our 3D view. So I'm searching for mirror, drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop to your 3D view. Okay, that one is for mirror. And then the center we are going to put marble. Okay, so for marble we are going to use stone. Okay, we click to stone and then change to marble. It's up to you, this one. So I'm going to use this one. Drag and drop to your 3D view. So you can see we already have the mirror and also marble texture. And then to put lighting, okay, to put lighting, we go to section library and use lamp tube. Okay, we can drag and drop to your 3D view as well. But remember, we need to be careful because I just want to put in the corner. Okay, not the whole square. So I'm going to carefully drag. Okay, this area as well. Oops, I wrongly drag and drop. So again, I put to my 3D view. Okay, but I think it's easier. We can just click complete. Okay, we click complete and then we have the 3D view. Okay, so we do again, use the round lamp. Okay, and then put to the corner on top here. Be careful. Okay, like this. Alright, and then same goes to the other area. Okay, you need to be careful. This one is bugged lah. I'm sorry. Okay, you need to redo. Okay, wait ah. Okay, and then okay, I put it again. See, okay, I just want that corner and then the last corner, this area. So you can see we have all of the edges lah. Okay, and then to adjust the texture, let's say I want to adjust the mirror. You click to the texture and then adjust the position. Okay, you can see here I put it as for the center. Okay, so you can choose to any. And then same goes to marble. If I want to adjust the design of the marble, okay, you can just adjust the position. Alright, and then when you render, you will see the result will come out like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.